Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, actually this will going to be the brand new web series of tutorials. In this series, we're gonna cover uh, the AI ML course from zero to advanced. This is the objective with the implementation. We have broken down this course into phases. The first phase is all about the foundation building. Module 1 covers the Python for ML. In this module, we will learn how we can use the Python. In the module 2, we will learn essential maths concept that we will require to have a deeper expertise on the AI ML part. Also, we will going to learn the core ML concept. In the phase 2, we will see classical in machine learning, like more regression, classification, previous models, unsupervised learning, and ML pipelines and the best practices. In the phase 3, we're going more deeper into the like more technical topics like advanced topic actually. Neural networks, we'll see types of neural networks and training on the deep networks. It's all the phase 3 is all about the deep learning. In the phase 4, we will see the advanced and modern AI concept like attention transformer, NLP with transformer, large language model, and generative AI. In the phase 5, we will see MLOps and the deployment. In the phase 6, after all the training, when it gets completed, we will cover the project part, the real world project, how the agents and the chatbot works, some more real world project. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will see the module 1, which is about the NumPy. Till then, stay tuned our channel and don't forget to like our videos. Thank you.